Hello Pythonistas. So today in HackerRank series we are going to see the print function. So what is the task is the included code step will read an integer n without using any string methods. Try to print the following 1, 2, 3 till the n. Note that represents the consecutive values in between. For example, if n is equal to 5, I need to print the string such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my till my n I need to print the string without any spaces or without any new lines, and it will start from 1. So we also should not use any string methods. That is one restriction. So I think we can use a for loop over here. So I will write for I in range. So my range should start from 1. So by default range will start from 0. So I will write as 1 comma, and yeah, so your ending number should be n itself. It is not n minus 1. So if I write n, then till n minus 1 only it will be calculating. So but I need also n, so I will write n plus 1. So it will range from 1 till n. So this is my logic. So what I am going to do? I am just going to print I. So if I just print I, what will happen? Every time when the loop will execute, I will be printed in the next line. But I want all of them in the same line. For that, we are having a print functions method itself, which is nothing but end is equal to, we can specify what should be the end of the print statement. By default, this end is going to be a new line. Because of that only it is printing new line every time. But here I no need anything. I no need a new line. I just want to continue just like that. So I will just make end is equal to an empty string. And I think that's all. It is good to go. If I want to remove this end is equal to new thing, I can just write a print an empty print statement which will automatically reset itself, so that in future it will print all the new lines. Yeah. So let me run and show you this particular code. Yes, can you see? Sample case 0 is satisfied because they have inputted 3 and we are having 1, 2, 3, and expected output is also the same. Now let me submit the code and check whether all the other conditions are satisfying. It's loading. Yes, can you see? It has showed me congratulations because all the 3 conditions have satisfied to its best. Okay, that's it for today. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.